Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is National Pancake Day, so I will be making pancake with my 2-year-old. This is one of the best and fluffiest pancake I've ever made.
Okay.
What are we making today?
You're making pancake.
Yeah, we're making pancake. So let's get started. Are you excited?
Yes.
Do you want pancake for breakfast?
Yes, it was egg.
Yeah, we use egg for the pancake. So let's throw in egg. So these 3 eggs and 2 spoons of sugar. No, what's this?
Sugar.
Yeah, sugar.
Okay.
So we're going to mix it in our blender. Do you want to press it? You
Yes.
press 1. Press it properly.
And adding
Milk.
milk. Mom, can you
It's
have
about
milk?
300 ml
Milk?
of milk.
Milk?
Adding 1/4 cup of oil.
Oil?
Yeah. What's this?
It's oil.
Good.
Oil.
We are not taking pictures. We're making video. Yeah, we're making pancake. We'll flip it up high. Okay. Yeah, we're going to mix it again. Is it?
The present is number 1.
Yeah. Just because you pressed the blender, that's why you're excited. Chikams. Oh my god.
Mommy, no.
Yeah, so let's add in. Yeah, let's add in. What's this?
It's white.
Yeah, I know it's white. It's flour.
Well,
Yeah, we'll use it for pancake. So this 1.5 cups. 1.5 cups of flour and 2 teaspoons of baking
Mommy,
powder.
Are you
Yeah?
ready?
Yes, I'm ready. Yeah, we'll add it bit by bit.
I did.
Yeah. So let's add the other half. Oopsie. Oopsie. You ready?
Yes. 1, 2, 3.
Yeah, so we're going to add in some desiccated coconuts. This is about 1/3 of a cup.
It was so sugar inside.
No, but it's not sugar. It looks like sugar, but not sugar. It's desiccated coconuts.
It's coconut. It's flour.
Yeah, I don't know what you said.
Flour.
It's what?
It's flour.
Flour?
Yeah.
No.
Flour.
No,
No.
it's desiccated coconut. It looks like sugar, but it's not.
It's not sugar.
Yeah, it's not sugar. We've put sugar before, remember?
Yes.
Yeah,
That's it.
yeah. So no, leave the egg. So let's add in. Oh, Chikam, so we're arguing if this is sugar or desiccated coconut. So she said it's not desiccated coconut, it's sugar. Chikam, so okay, you ready?
Yeah.
Press the button.
Yeah.
Yeah. So guys,
Thinking.
oh, this is what our batter looks like.
Right.
This consistency.
It's consistency.
Chichi, you keep repeating whatever I say. It's chicken soup.
This chicken is cheese.
Cheese, smile. Say hello.
Hello.
Tell them to subscribe to our channel.
Coffee time. See you later. Bye bye.
Yeah, but it's not yet buy time. We're just telling them to subscribe so they won't forget to subscribe. So if you haven't subscribed to this channel, you subscribe to our
Channel.
yeah. So we'll make more cooking videos and more playing videos.
Not pretty feel.
Yeah. So with a paper towel, I'm just going to smear some oil on the pan. Not too much. Yeah. So I'll be taking about a tablespoon of butter. You can see? I would advise you fry this on low heat so everything gets cooked and not burnt. Yeah, can I have it?
Yes.
So we're going to flip over to the other side. And there you have it, guys. The pancake is ready. Just look at that beautiful fluffy pancake. So I'm just drizzling with a bit of honey and the pancake is ready for consumption. So if you enjoyed this video, guys, give it a thumbs up, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye.